Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm a senior instructional designer at Landing AI.
In LandingLens, you can train a model based on the data in a snapshot. This allows you to generate multiple models on different datasets in a single project. To train a model on a snapshot, click the snapshot icon and select Show Snapshot List. Select the snapshot you want to use from the Snapshots panel. Click Use and select Train with Custom Options. Configure the training settings. Then click Train Model. Go to the Build page to see the model training details.
Visit the Landing AI Support Center and community for more information.